channel. From this video, we are going to learn how to make sentences for class 1 using the word happiness. You know that happiness is a noun, specifically abstract noun. Abstract noun is always uncountable and it takes singular verb. Okay, look at the sentences. My mother gives me happiness. If I want to explain this sentence, then this will add value to your English grammar. Okay, my mother is the subject of the verb gives. Me and happiness are two objects of the verb gives. Okay, that is, after verb give we can place two objects. Now look, from give we have written here gives. We have added s. Why? Because mother is the singular subject, so we need to make our verb singular. How can we make a verb singular? By adding s or es. To make the verb singular here, we have added here s. My mother gives me happiness. Using this sentence as a model, you can make a lot of sentences like my father gives me happiness, my sister gives me happiness. Okay, now come to the second sentence. The gift brought me happiness. Again, this is a transitive from bring. The past form of bring is brought, right? BRUST, the past form. So this is the sentence of past indefinite tense. The gift brought me happiness. Okay, here gift is a subject, brought, bring, brought is the verb, and me and happiness are the two objects of this verb bring or brought. So you can use this sentence to make lot of sentences.